in Navajo, Arizona. Hi, I know I missed you too. You can come here. We stopped for a shower. As you can tell, we obviously look so much better than what we did last night. So yeah, so we stopped a shower here and we're gonna get some fuel. We're gonna hit the road. It's beautiful outside. What is it?
6 degrees.
6 degrees. I know it doesn't sound like much, 6 degrees in Celsius, but it's beautiful compared to like what's happening up in Canada and stuff like that. It is freezing up there right now. They had a big storm last night actually in Toronto, well, like near Toronto area. So happy we got to avoid that and we just got to, you know, chill out with the nice weather. Now it's just me trying to convince Derek we should get a cinnamon bun. It's like we should get Denny's and it's like, no, we got a cinnamon bun, it stops the cravings, we get going, we're on the road, it's cheap, we don't gotta sit for Denny's, we don't gotta, yeah. I just don't want to sit for Denny's, you know what I mean? Like, you sit there, you gotta wait, you know, you're there for like, what, 30, 40 minutes? Actually, you know what I just thought of? We can go get Denny's because they have cinnamon pancakes. They actually do, they're amazing. Okay, well, let's make ourselves some coffee. We have oatmeal, we can have some oatmeal.
We'll figure something out. Let's stop at Walmart today and buy some food.
Yeah. This morning, I set an alarm for 7:30 back home, a bit before 7:20ish. Anyway, same thing. And we just kept hitting snooze and snooze and snooze and snooze. Like, I think we hit it for at least an hour. And then finally at 8:30, we were parked on the side just because there was absolutely no parking. Like I told you yesterday, it was just completely bunched up and cramped. So we ended up parking on the side of the building, but that's actually where the drivers go to deliver the food. So there's a McDonald's there. So McDonald's driver came up and he woke us up at 8:30. He apologized, but we're like,
yeah, he felt really bad.
Yeah, he felt really bad, but it's like you're making
here. We're not supposed to.
Yeah, well, it's not even that. Like, you're getting us out of bed. Like, we need to get going. Like, I keep hitting like snooze on my phone. So thank you for being an alarm. So driver, I don't think you're watching this, but if you are, or if you do in the future, thank you for waking us up and getting us out of bed. Because we probably still would have been sleeping. If you never woke us up and I never put an alarm, let's be honest, we still would have been sleeping.
Not now, but yeah, maybe actually.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. What's up? You want those trash bags? No, I'm good. I got a bunch here. Thanks, though.
What did he say?
Do you want all those trash bags?
Why would I want those? They're trying to make a joke?
Because they like went really far and he just wants me to pick them up. Like, if I pick them up, I can have them kind of deal.
All he has to do is just pull back.
People knock that shit over.
Yeah, but you see people hitting signs around here, like, there's so much shit. That's why we don't like parking at like truck stops. Like, it's so many people hit shit and they bang into shit and knock shit over. It's crazy. Beautiful, babe?
It's very nice.
There's just no jackets. No, I don't even have my winter boots on. It's just beautiful. It makes me want to go back. What about you?
We're heading right into the cold.
I know, it's gonna be so cold wherever we go. Like, you can tell it's just a beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful.
She needs a wash. Wash me.
You gonna wash me?
average, at least we're on the hills now, but we averaged 5.4 miles a gallon on our last tank. So
It's really not that great.
no, it's not that great. But
Like, I would like to be in the 7s. Our friend was like, oh, I was in the 7.1s. Are you
yeah,
gonna show
but
me?
he was out of the.
Thank you. But he was out of the mountains, so hopefully we can catch up to that, make some money, make some
Instead of spending all our money on fuel. But
cinnamon buns. I got a cinnamon bun, by the way.
we drive this thing, which is not really that fuel efficient, so. Windows so dirty. She needs to be clean.
We're in the wrong way. So we stopped in Gallup, New Mexico. It's pretty much the first rest area when you get into New Mexico. The scenery is beautiful around here. The mountains, very windy outside, very windy. Cannot keep my hair under control, that's for sure. This is the rest area. And then over here, like, that's really cool. I think seeing like that part right there collapse, that would have been interesting to see. But yeah, just all around us is just these little like mountains. Very interesting. Be even cooler if there was wildlife on them. See some wildlife and stuff like that, but this is hilarious. They're like, they have 2 dogs and they have a cat. Like, poor cat, look at it. It's just like, I don't want to fucking go anywhere. Aww. up stopping at a Walmart in Armillo, Texas. So I went inside, we did our grocery shopping just to eat tonight. Have a nice salad, some spaghetti, and then some food for the week pretty much. There's like this security guard here. We never really see like a security guard at Walmart that just like drives around. But anyways, yeah, he just pretty much like drives around and checks out our truck. And we thought maybe like at first he had an issue with us. Especially when we came out from Walmart and he was like parked behind our trailer and he saw us like slowly started moving forward. So he didn't say anything. We were walking Winston and we made sure to like wave at him when he passed by just to see if maybe he didn't see us and maybe wanted to let us know anything. But no, he waved back and he left. So I guess we're okay here. But like, yeah, hopefully. But like if they like switch shifts and someone else comes and he's like, you're not allowed to be parked here. And it's like, well, your buddy didn't have an issue. So hopefully they don't wake us up. Or if they do, at least be our alarm and wake us up in the morning, please, when we're supposed to get up. But yeah, he has like these like super flashy lights at the top and they're really annoying. They're super flashy. Really drives me nuts. Ooh, that Caesar looks good. With some chicken? Ooh. Anyways, I'm starving. It is 10 o'clock here, so it is 11 o'clock back home. Gotta wake up early, do at least 10 more hours tomorrow, and then we'll probably drop Tuesday or Wednesday. We'll see how everything goes and how the roads are, because right now in Ontario, as soon as you cross the border in Sarnia, London area, there was a huge shitstorm today, and I don't think it's going to be there when we get back, but like I said, I don't want to say we'll get there on Tuesday and something happens. So Tuesday or Wednesday, we will all find out together, won't we? Well, technically you guys will find out later because the videos are posted later, but you get what I mean. So have a good night. Make sure you like, subscribe my videos at the bottom as well if you want to see more of the photos, the beautiful scenery, and as well photos of the truck. All description is below for Instagram as well as Snapchat. Those are the two things that I use extremely the most, so make sure to check those out and make sure to follow, subscribe, like, whatever you guys want to do. Hope you enjoyed the video and good night, guys.